Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can do a facial at home for getting radiant and glowing skin this festive season. The first step is cleansing. I am using my favorite, the Face Shop's Rice Water Bright Foaming Cleanser. I am taking a small quantity on my hand and foaming it up nicely with the help of some water, and then gently massaging my face and neck with it, and then washing it off with cold water. You may use any cleanser of your choice. The idea here is to make sure your skin is free from all the impurities. After gently pat drying your face, the next step is exfoliation, for which I am using my current favorite St. Ives Oatmeal Scrub and Mask. This scrub plus mask combo is just awesome. The tiny granules in the scrub is not harsh on your skin and it makes sure the exfoliation is on point. One key thing to remember is not to go harsh on your skin while using scrub. Be very gentle and let the granules do its job. Make sure you keep a bowl of water handy so that you can mix whenever the product feels dry. Like I mentioned, this is a scrub plus mask, because of which I am going to retain it for 5 minutes and then rinse it off. Now that our skin is ready, the third step is to massage along with steam. For this, I am using this Biotique's Morning Nectar skin lotion, which falls on an oilier side, which makes the massage easy. Not just that, the steam is going to help in opening the pores and making it more absorbing. The massage is certainly going to help your face muscles relax, and it is important to lift your face muscles rather massaging it downwards. After a good 2 minutes of massage, let your face relax. Also, if you are someone who has a lot of whiteheads or blackheads, then you may go ahead and extract them after steam using the Blackhead or Whitehead remover tool. Be very gentle though. The very next step is toning. This is important after everything we have done, as it is going to help you tighten the pores and lock the moisture in. And now, after the toner dries up, the next step is to apply any mask of your choice. Mostly based on your skin type or season or the mood. Can be homemade too, all depends on you and your liking. I have picked one of my favorite for myself today, that is Plum's Chamomile and White Tea Glow Getter Face Mask. This is an antioxidant rich face mask, making your skin softer and brighter in a natural way. This does not dry out your skin, that's what I love about it. Apply a thin layer of this mask evenly on your face and retain it for at least 20 minutes, and then wipe it off with a wet towel. If not, you can also rinse it off with cold water. Remember to not use any face wash while you do so. And now that we are done, I would like to end this facial with my favorite moisturizer, that is Rice and Ceramide Emulsion from Face Shop. Just give a gentle massage and we are good to go.